G'day, here's a parcel of seam and Nobby material from Lightning Ridge. Some of the small pieces are fairly bright. I'll zoom in a minute and you'll be able to see it up close. Okay, I've zoomed in. I haven't moved the material in relation to each other. You'll go for a wander around the parcel now with the video, and you can see what you get for your money. Going up to the top, of course, across. Like I say, a lot of it's small, bright material. This is just been photographed. It's not been set up, it's just as it's been basically poured out of the bag and levelled out onto the tray. Anyway, that gives you an idea. Cheers.